Hey Lily, come here.
Okay.
Throw one of those stuffed animals in his crib and see what he does.
Where?
Just right there. Just grab one. Throw it in his crib.
What's that doing? Make it different. Make it different. Yeah. Drop in it.
That's why there's never anything in his bed. Don't hit him in the head with it, silly.
Up there, Brady. I want that blanket out. That's not right. That wasn't your coat. That's your blanket. Not your blanket. That's not what it is. Over there, right behind you. There. There. Over there. No. Not the hippo.
Well,
Here. There. Bring this right here. I'm going to put this here. Oh.
just watch what he does.
What was that for? Can I do anything?
No, it's just funny because he empties his whole crib out,
Yeah.
but he leaves the pillow.
Yeah. Leave
Because
the pillow.
he will not sleep without the pillow.
Or without his blanket.
Oh, he sleeps without his blanket all the time. He just won't sleep without his pillow.
What?
He just won't sleep without his pillow. Right, Brady?
Right. I said right. If I said right to me.